Hi, my name is Allie Wisniewski. I'm a clinical research program manager at Stormont Vail. Stormont has agreed to sponsor the K-State DataFest, but we were also honored to be selected by ASA to be the data donor this year. Trevor Heffley, Rebecca Dale, Shauna Hutchinson approached Stormont almost a year ago and asked us to consider applying to be the data donor. Fortunately, we were selected by ASA, and throughout the last year, we've just really benefited from the support at K-State. This would not have been possible without our research partnership between K-State and Stormont Vail.
Hello, I'm Dr. Trevor Heffley. I'm a professor at Kansas State University in the Department of Statistics and one of the co-directors of the Institute of Digital Ag and Advanced Analytics. And then I'm also a statistician. I've been a member of the American Statistical Association, which is the organization, the professional organization that puts on DataFest, I think since 2013.
I'm Julie Espy. I am with SAS, and we are a sponsor of DataFest 2026. Happy to be here.
I think getting the feedback that the students have collected through their weekend-long analyses to the leadership at Stormont Vail could actually impact decisions that are being made in order to bridge gaps in care that have been discussed through these presentations. Looking for problems within the system that could be solved. This is a unique opportunity for Stormont Vail to gain knowledge from a relatively unbiased group of undergraduates who have skills in statistics, and then being able to bring that information up the chain to our directors and our vice presidents.
Really enjoyed talking to some of the students and hearing their excitement and their real interest in kind of understanding data analytics and stats and what they can do with data. It's really been fun. I would say participating in something like DataFest really does kind of put your mind in a different place where you are thinking about how data can be used to solve problems or get insights to inform people, understand, a particular issue better, or what can be done to, help an issue, or just really uncover information. There's so much data out there in the world, but I think something like DataFest really kind of helps students think about it a little bit differently.
The most powerful thing about DataFest is that students are getting exposure to real-world data. This data that Stormont provided is rich, it's messy, it has errors, but it's real encounters, visits, patients within our own community. And so in particular, the K-State students are getting exposure to data that they interact with in their daily lives. These are visits happening right up the road at the Manhattan Clinic or at our hospitals in Junction City, Topeka, all throughout Kansas. And so out of all the 60 plus institutions that are participating in DataFest, it's extra special to be here at K-State because this is where in the world that the data is coming from.
I think it's important for students to participate in events like DataFest, first of all, to realize the community of professionals that do data analysis or data analytics, which is statisticians and data scientists. And many times when you're an undergraduate, you don't realize that there's a broader community out there, not just in the college that you're at, but also in the community, and in this case, surrounding states, as we have teams from University of Nebraska and Colorado State University.
The mission of Stormont Vail is working together to improve the health of our community. And by working together with K-State and with ASA through DataFest, we're improving the health of our patients by collecting the feedback information that you have delivered to us through this important endeavor. So ultimately, this event is going to impact and improve the health of our patients by, like I said, bridging gaps in care, transportation. So thank you. Yeah.